Hadir di Indonesia sejak tahun 1995, wahana hiburan arkade asal Australia ini telah memberikan pengalaman menyenangkan bersama keluarga. Beberapa permainan yang dihadirkan diadopsi dari olahraga, social bowling, inovasi permainan bowling yang mudah diakses oleh pemain dari semua tingkat keahlian, membuat siapapun bisa merasakan sensasi bermain bowling. Dengan berbagai keseruan yang dihadirkan, membuat tempat hiburan yang biasa hadir di mall ini tidak pernah membosankan untuk dikunjungi. Hadirin sekalian, inilah peraih penghargaan Top Innovation Choice Award 2023 dengan inovasi social bowling, Timezone.
Selamat kami ucapkan kepada Timezone, and we would like to invite Mr. Navin as CEO and President Director Timezone Indonesia to deliver warm remarks.
Thank you. Thank you, Infogrand. Thank you, Ras and Co. and the jury for selecting us to be part of this prestigious League of Innovation Award. Representing entire Timezone family, it is indeed an honor for us to take this award. At Timezone, we believe our purpose is to spread happiness by bringing people together, having fun and capturing those moments. In this journey, social bowling is one such initiative where we brought a professional bowling, which only few people can play, to an entire family, for every member of the family. Let it be a small child of 5 years, let it be somebody who's as old as 70 years, everybody can bowl. And not just bowl, have fun with their near and dear ones, capture those moments and relish that. So it's been well accepted by the entire guest, and we intend to bring in more bowling. While it is well accepted, it is an honor, but also receiving this award is an inspiration for us to continuously strive to bring people together and spread happiness. Representing Timezone family, thank you once again for this great award.
Congratulate to Timezone for achieving the Top Innovation Choice Award 2023 for the social bowling innovation. With social bowling, a bowling game that is easily accessible to players of all skill levels, this innovation allows anyone to experience the thrill of playing bowling. And once again, congratulate for Timezone. This award is received by Mr. Navin, CEO and President Director Timezone Indonesia. Congratulate for Timezone.
Terima kasih Bapak Tri dan also Mr. Navin, thank you so much. We will take picture together. Could you please stand by Mr. Navin, and I will count starting from 3, 2, 1. Thank you.